Hey everyone, welcome to today's live stream. It is December 4th, 2023. Hope you're doing great. And let's dive in. So we've got an interesting happening today. We've got the markets across the board lower. The S&P 500 down almost 1%. The Dow down, NASDAQ down is the big mover, down 1.10. Oil off slightly, silver down, gold down, 10-year bond is the only thing that's up slightly to 429. Bitcoin, big move today in Bitcoin, up $2,300 to 41,848 USD per Bitcoin. Yeah, it's just an interesting Canadian. Here's the movement in Canadian dollars. 3,165, up nearly 6%. People are asking me all the time, what is going on with Bitcoin? Well, there's talk of a crypto ETF. And if that gets approved, if that gets the green light, then we're going to start to see even higher movements in some of the big crypto. I've always said 95% of crypto is a bunch of garbage. But the biggies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, some of those Doge, some of those that actually have teeth behind it, actually have a purpose and function, then you may want to consider picking up some of that. So my estimation is that cryptos are going to continue to move higher. All right, when we look at the health of the economy, what I'm really talking about is, what is going on with the markets and the performance in the markets and what can we expect going forward. We know we had a huge November. The movement in stocks brought the S&P 500 to an all-time high after the month of November. Now we roll into December. Things have definitely cooled off today. First, really kind of a down trading day, but we've got the bear and bull indicator. Bear and bull indicator minus, it's in the bearish territory right here, down 18.32%. So what we do here is we track the sentiment in the market. Like, are people buying? Is there more buying versus selling? This has come up from the lows of minus 25. So there's been a little bit of a resurgence, and I think the month of November was helpful. A lot of buyers entered the marketplace, a lot of good movements in the price of stocks, especially after some earnings announcements. The stocks moved higher. And definitely in the tech sector, right, we started to see a lot of companies going higher in that space. And it's the big names. It's NVIDIA, which is on sale today, Netflix, Amazon, Google, Microsoft, Meta, right? These companies that have always been strong performers. With those type of stocks, the best approach by far is buy the dips, sell the rips, right? So when you get some of those being able to purchase at a low price and you get a big upward movement, then just get out of it. Thank your lucky stars, because these stocks are quite volatile and they can pull back, and you'll have another opportunity to buy. So that's how that indicator works. I wanted to bring to your attention, before I get into the stock pick of the week, I wanted to show you a little bit about our learning portal. And we recently launched this. We've had some really great feedback about it. A lot of you are pretty darn stoked about being able to invest in some of our other courses for really great prices. Look, here's one totally for free. That's our mindfulness and financial stress course, how to reduce financial stress, how to work with the Solfeggio hertz and binaural beats are included in that. So it basically programs the brain, working with both sides, both hemispheres of the brain, to really help you with your finances and help you clear away any financial stress that you have. Very powerful course, and it's free, complimentary. So jump in there I think you'll enjoy it. But here's what I wanted to point out today about where it says up here, join our affiliate program. When you click through there, when you sign up to be an affiliate with us, we're going to pay you 10% across the board, no matter what people purchase, whether it's our software or some of our online courses. We're happy to do this. We want to support you while you support us. We're so grateful for your support. And if you scroll down to this page right here, how to get started. Let me take off my webcam here so you can see a little more easily. You sign up for a free account, and that's step number one. You have to register as an affiliate. We're going to want to know, like, how do you plan on marketing us? Like, are you going to send it out to your list? Do you have a list? Is it just friends and family? You know, that type of thing. So we'll ask you about that. And then once all that is complete and you share your unique link, which is how we identify that it's you that's referred to someone, when you share it with the friends and family and they start clicking through our website, it's going to put a little cookie on their page. So we're going to know if they ended up enrolling in a course, whether it's, you know, today or next week or next month. We're going to have that information, and then we automatically pay through our affiliate program. So we're super excited about this. We really wanted to share in the growth of our platform, and to share it directly with you, because you're our number one advocate. You know, if you use the program and like it, you're going to be able to share that with others, and we think that's super important. All right, so let's get into, I wanted to talk a little bit about today, the stock pick of the week. I actually found it here on Winning Stocks. It's a stock rocket. You know, I love me some stock rockets. Here it is, Uranium Energy Corp. Let me just click through so we can see the chart, see the stock a little better. This is not this company's first foray into our, okay, I know it's clickable. Why is it? There we go. This is not Uranium Energy Corp's first foray into our Stock Rockets group. It's been on there for the last week or so, and look at what it's been doing. Like, just a nice move up. Had a little dip late last week, but certainly a nice recovery today. You got the, oh, let me get rid of my webcam here. You've got classic, like everything that we want to see on the chart. Price above all of the indicators. Green is above red, and then you've got the long-term support, SMA 200 at 394, SMA 50 at 565, and the stock is well above both of those. So not only do you have a company that's supported in the short run, intermediate, and the long run, but you've got this nice MFI down here sitting right at 68. As you know, if you followed my work, I call that the sweet spot in terms of the buying opportunity. Take a look at picking up some shares today. Either put it on your watch list or buy some shares. Uranium's having a nice move. All the energy stocks are. They pulled back in November. I noticed a very cyclical change with mining and metal stocks. They all kind of went down in November. The technology had a big upsurge in November. And now we're going to see, I think, some continued support for these companies. Nearly 92% of the insiders are buyers of this stock. Look at their year-over-year growth rate, 49,835. Unbelievable. So some great things are happening, obviously, for this company. Current ratio, 453. This is how well a company is implementing with the cash on their balance sheet. The scale is literally 0. 5 is this company is crushing it. Like they're putting their cash to work in the best possible way. And yeah, everything looks good. Like all systems go. And then, of course, always do your due diligence, but take a look at news out this morning. What makes uranium energy a good fit for trending investing? Is it time to dump UEC stock after it's risen 2.8% in a week? That was an article from earlier today, Investors Observer. Yeah, just take a look. It's going to be up to you to decide. But this company looks like it is firing on all cylinders. So I hope this is helpful. We have an interesting time right now where we get to look at the health of the economy and the markets, and always do your due diligence, but start reading a little bit about, what people are seeing. We're seeing investors selling into strength. That was from earlier today. And, with this talk of this Fed targeting inflation at 3%, it sounds like they're on track for this. So I think that's another positive thing. We're starting to see interest rates, especially in mortgages, come down a bit. They ticked down quite a bit last week. Let's hope that continues. But then we've got the other side of it, a collapsed U.S. money supply is a threat to employment. And, just kind of do your homework, kind of get a sense, and always use your intuitive guidance to give you clues as to where to invest your money and how much to invest. There's never a bad time to have cash on the sideline, so that if we start to see more and more of this market dipping, there may be some incredible buying opportunities. I mean, look at the Salesforce, 4-star stock down 3.5% today. Uber is being watched closely. What else? What else is Amazon? Moved to 3 stars, down 1.7%. So not quite as volatile as the market. But yeah, there's just some opportunities here, I think, to either add to positions or create a new position with them. But always buy with a big dose of caution in this market. It's risen quite a bit this year, but as I've been saying for a while, there are not a lot of places and opportunities to invest money. It seems like the lion's share of capital is definitely going into the equity markets. And if that continues to be the case, then that's very positive for this market. And we should continue to see a much higher equity market, at least for the next 6 months. Have a great week. See you next week. Thanks, everyone.